Hello guys. Um so yesterday we finished the hackering problem. So today I am going to play a game. So it's called Clash of Code. So it's actually a coding competition. So I saw people doing this on YouTube, but I never did a challenge. So yeah, I signed up with my GitHub account, and then yeah, going to join the clash. So I don't know. I have no idea what questions they're gonna ask and what challenges I need to complete. So looks like we need 8 people. Yeah, so they left challenge cyberscript Kremlin colors calls forever. Oh, okay, so this is my profile. I need to this is level 1 15. I got the 15 XP because I joined yeah, because as a sign up bonus. And yeah, I think if I complete more challenges, then I will get more XPs. I hope that's how it works. Um, I hope it is fun. Yeah, I hope it helps us to practice coding. So let's wait 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Yesterday, my webcam was. Oh, it's starting. Let's go. Okay, so flash now. Okay, got it. I don't know what is. So geometric sequence is a sequence of number where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous by a number called common ratio. Your program must print n first number of geometric sequence of ratio r started by r. Phew. Console log name is okay. So your program um, your program must print the n first number of a game. Oh, okay. So n is n. What is that? I don't know. Try again. N is 5. Okay. Expected. Okay. And what is this? N is not 5. Found n is n. Expected 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. N is okay. So n that is squared. So input read line split first int input first one and r second one is the r. So a geometric sequence of numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one by. Okay, so sequence of number, I'm gonna do sequence of number, maybe 1 2 2 okay 3 sequence of number, and number where each term after the first is found by multiplying by a number called common ratio. So it should be okay. So common ratio. Okay, so in multiplied by common ratio, your program must print the n first number of geometric sequences of ratio r, okay, and started by, okay, so that is actually very, that was actually very simple. Okay, that was actually this thing, right? N into r. Okay. Oh, y 10 y. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I'm gonna run a loop for let I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and comes, okay, and okay, so let n equals in a string, so n equals n plus equals n plus equals I into r, okay, I into r, and we print this. Let's do this, come on, let's do this. What? 0. Okay, so it should start from 1 and it equals 1, so instead of this I should have a space. Okay, like this. Okay, it's not 2 4 6 8 common ratio. So first one is found by the common ratio. Okay, so first one, and okay, okay, so let's see. Let's do this. Okay, so n equals, n is the n is common ratio is 5. Okay, common ratio, and first one is n. So what I need to actually, it is this, right? Why do I n into r? Why do I need, oh no, n into r? What? Okay, so input 5 and export, this is 1 2 4 8 16, because why is that? The first n is integer of the sequence, the first n integers of the geometry string ratio. Oh sure, they are passing starting with 1. Okay, they start with 1. Okay, so they start with 1 for let I equals 1 and I is less than what? Okay, so what I think is I is less than n and I plus plus, and so okay, so what is this? N, right? And not n r. Okay, so let n equals an empty string, so I'm gonna do n plus equals plus, and yeah, so What is R? R. Okay, R into R. Okay, so let's do this. Not R. N equals 1. Okay, so okay, N equals 1 and N equals 1. So N into R. Okay, and N equals R, and yeah, so let output equals in string, so I'm gonna output plus equals and plus N, and output. Okay, let's try this. 1. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so it should start 1. Okay, from 0, and okay, so it should be something like this. Okay, y. Okay, why? Because we started from I equals 0, doesn't matter. N equals N into R. Okay. So okay, let's do this then. Okay, so I passed, so I'm gonna submit. Okay, so I got level 2. Discover solution for tech hiring, sourcing, retain. Okay, so I don't need anything for now. No, please don't. What is this? I'm not interested. Get a better job. Okay, not interested right now. Okay, so it was fun. It was exciting. Difficulty, it was not hard. It was easy. Yes, it was easy fix. Statement is not that much clear enough. Test cases are, I don't know. Okay, so yeah. So I got this second position, and then Two's got the first position. So this is actually fun. Share my code. I can share my code. And actually, I tricked this one. I didn't. I mean, yeah, this is. There's no logic in it. It's just I look at the output, and then there's no logic in it. I look at the output, and then try to get that output. I compared the output and input in the given example, and then try to match the code with that. So there's no logic, no nothing. So I don't know. I'm surprised to pass all the test cases. Okay, so let's wait 2 minutes. I don't know what to do after this. Okay. Okay, activities compete. Okay. Contest. What do they have? starting on May. Join a fun training community event. Okay, they have events actually. That's actually fun, right? Fall, spring. Okay, so I might register this. I want to try. I want to see how this is done. Coding game. Okay, so let's go to Clash of Code again and join in. This time I hope. The problem was very tricky actually. Mm, okay, it is starting. Let's do. Okay, so given a time limit L and n times, determine the sum of times with the limit. Okay, so given a time limit L and L and n times, determine the sum of the times within the limit. Okay, so time limit L, number of times, and next. Okay, so input 2. What is this? I don't know. Output true or false if the sum of the times is less than or equal to the limit. Okay, so given a time, they have given us a time, and I need to check if time output read line. I don't know what is that. Okay, so I'm gonna console log the t and see what it is. And yeah, so I'm gonna console log t and see found nothing. Expected true. Okay. To debug console error. Okay, console error. Console dot okay, console dot error. Okay, let's see. To debug. Oh, it's not showing me anything. Okay, anyway, so what I need to do is const read line and L is the limit, so n is what is this? Okay, L is the limit and n is the number. Oh, he passed. Oh, good. It's good. Okay, so L is the limit. I'm not getting the question. The problem is given the given a time limit. Okay, they give us a time limit. The L and n times. What does that mean? Determine if some of the times are within the time limit. So line 1 input line 1. Okay, L, they give us the limit and the number of times, and next line n. What is that? Next line t. Time t is time. So okay, if okay, if t less than equal to, what is t? What is t? Oh my god, I can't console log. That's the problem. Console log t. I need to console log and see what it is. But okay, so I want to console log and see what it is. Hi. T is not defined. Okay, T is defined inside. Right. So I want to see what is the T and hi. Okay, T is the time limit. Okay, so T is the time limit. Okay, T is the limit. Okay, so T is the time. So what I want to do is what I might need to do is do they give in hours? Okay, let's see. Equals. Okay, they give in hours too. Okay, so in that case, what I need to do is there should be a better way to deal with this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, okay, t dots. Now I understand. Now I understood the problem. So t dot split. I'm gonna split t and okay. T time arr equals let time arr equals, okay, I'm gonna spell the t and for let I okay, they have the I, let j equals 0 0, j is less than j is less than time r dot length and j plus plus. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add so let's time let time. Okay, so I don't have to do this. Let time array equals this and let I don't have to do this. Okay, let time equals time array dot join, and that way we removed that one, and I'm gonna say time time equals time okay parse int parse int okay parse int time. Okay, so time now into converted into integer. So what I need to do is I need to check, I need to sum up the, okay, so I need to sum up the, okay, let sum equals okay, let's sum and I need to say sum sum plus equals time. Okay, so sum, if initially it is 0, now it's sum plus equals time, and now what I need to do is console.log see what is the L. What is the L? I want to see what is the L. L is the limit. I found the limit. Okay, L is the limit. L is the limit. So, and what is N? Okay, N is already defined up there. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so let limit equals to equals parse int l, and yeah, parse int l, and okay, return limit is greater than or equal to, okay, so return if the sum of time is less than or equal to sum of time is, okay, sum is less than or equal to limit. Okay, so that's done. Oh, what? Found nothing. Okay, not return. We want to console log, right? Console dot log, and yep. So false. True. Okay. Okay. No. Some. Okay. Let's see. Check. Limit is 20. Okay. We checked first one. True. 20 0. Okay. So limit is 0. Okay. So we have to fix this again. Elder split, elder split, and dot join, and yeah, so now it should be good. Okay, do we? Okay, so now we can change it. Now we're good. Okay, true. Okay, so let's remove this for now and see if this will pass for sure. Let's see if this passes. Yes, this passes, this passes. Okay, so passing all the test cases. So I am on the third, yeah, in fourth position. It was fun. Yes, it was exciting. Give Yeah, it was not hard. It was perfect. Perfect for me. Statement was not clear enough. Okay. Test cases are okay. Good. So, yeah. Did it in 2 minutes. Oh my god. How they did it? It took me like few minutes to understand the problem. So that might be the. Okay, I'm gonna share my code. It's fine. Today we have some logics, and yeah, we have the there are a lot of things going on. So what we did was um they have times, right? They have okay. So never mind. So they have times. What my line 11 they are doing is in times format. They have that a ratio like the colon, right? So what we are doing is we are making the like we have in times format we have 00 and 00 and 00. So in 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 between like two digits there is the colon. So what we were doing is we were making that 00 into an array by divided by the colon. So we are actually removing the yeah we did. So we have a brand new after line 11 we have a brand new array of like array of numbers, and then what we did was and we joined the array again into a string. So now it becomes like if you have 0000, it will be like whole 0000. There is no the colon between the zeros. And if you have like 13 what is time now, it is 3, it is 1553, right? 1553. And you don't have that colon like and 1553 and what second it is. Then yeah, so we did that, and then we parsed it into integer, and then we sum yeah, we add that in our sum, and then yeah, we did the same thing to the limit, and then we checked if the sum is less or equal to the limit, and if it is, then yeah, this returns a boolean value. So if it is, then it returns a false. Yeah, it's Console of okay. So without not much talking, do we have time? Okay, so I think I'll stop here today. Yeah, thanks if you're watching. I don't know if anyone is watching right now, and if anyone will watch my streams. But what I'm doing is I'm trying to improve my coding skill and as well as my communication skills. So that's um, why I am doing this. And yeah, if you are interested, yes, we can do the Clash of Code together, or we can have CS battles. I saw yesterday on YouTube like people having CS battles. That is really cool. So we can do mock technical interviews. We can solve hackering or lead code problems together. Yeah, just email me if you are interested. So okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and wish you a very happy weekend, guys. Happy weekend.